saying that I'm
I like what you said.
yeah, I'll have like 4,000 zombies.
That way, Bib said you can chuck them all in his base if you get bored.
Be alright if they come to a base like them bark.
Oh, you'd be laughing. Well, they're going to come on the map, mate, aren't they, sometime in this month or next month, because they've already said.
Yeah, they might be the same as that cave though, the zombies and the dragon.
And I'll thank you very kindly for doing some for TikTok.
How did Ed get on last night?
He's caused loads of drama, but I bought another 2 Hellfires and 3 Raptors.
Work. I found a picture and it's like a guy driving a steamroller. Someone stuck to his front roller and I was going to stick it on the page and I thought maybe it's too sensitive.
Put it on there and say it's Raptor, what?
I was going to put on there, Yanis, what are you doing on my roller?
That's what Raptor does, isn't it? He does all the paving and stuff. Put it on there and say Raptor. I thought you were a girl laying about on the job. Send it to me and I'll do it.
Oh, I'll stick it on there. I don't want to offend anyone though.
Man, just see some of the shit that we put on there. Well, you've been on here and heard what we say about it.
Have it in the set, because I'm just killing the barracks.
I'm just doing a video now, Glenn.
Sorry?
I'm just doing you a video now, mate.
Cool. Okay.
And you can take that base if you want it, you know.
Well, I don't fucking need it, mate. You can have it, I've done. I'm just picking the shit apart. I only want pretty much a shot missile and a few purifiers, kid. Don't worry about me, mate. I can go.
What are those technical bases like? Are they, because I could do with doing those all day long.
They're a bit tricky. There's
How the fuck? Use your dark storm.
oh, he has to swear, don't he?
Use your own technicals, Glenn. The free repair. Don't listen to that.
Listen, he always gives you that bullshit, and then fucking you come back saying,
I was
Got
doing
3
it.
weeks damage.
I
"Oh,
was doing it last time.
well, instead of getting him your bullshit, then fucking go and do him some."
I'm doing this sentinel base and then I've got to do my own token base.
Selfish.
Fuck off. There's people messaging me at fucking quarter to 9 in the morning. Gunship bases are on the map. Can you see if you can suss them out? Right, I'll leave them.
I didn't say do them.
Okay, now you might as well have done.
No, I'm not like that.
Suss them out.
I've sussed them out anyway, and I'm doing a video.
I'm gonna work out the shadow walk bases.
Yeah.
He's similar to the first faction base. They've just added a few more zombies and buildings at the front. And the 95 is like the last faction base. That you've got 2 lots of blue fire going through the middle. Near the spawn point. But I think you can use the Valkyries to fly around and wire, take out the red building and stop the fire.
We know it's your best unit.
At the end of the day, mate, I don't give a shit what you hit a bowl and do the job, don't they?
Yeah, when you've got 6 hours to hit one base.
Not care, mate, that was doing them games to me. We're next to know how many jabs up.
Me.
That's not a bit of jealousy. Only because he hadn't got none, because he scrapped them all.
I scrapped half of them because they died and I couldn't be asked to repair them.
We're only 10 minutes each. There you go, Buzz. You can finish that, can't you?
I don't know, I'm on driving account at the minute. How long's through your bubble?
I'll have to go on the base now.
I think I know why Romero took so much